Imagine this scenario. You're alone in your room, or maybe driving your car. Suddenly, you realize you are having a full conversation, out loud, with yourself. You might freeze and ask, wait, am I losing my mind? Society often labels talking to yourself as the first sign of madness, but psychology says the exact opposite. In fact, it might be a sign that your brain is working better than average. Welcome to Aidil Zone. Today we're exploring the fascinating psychology behind self-talk and why geniuses often do it. First, let's debunk the myth. Talking to yourself isn't a malfunction, it's a tool. Psychologists call this cognitive offloading. Your working memory has a limit. When you're doing something complex, creating a verbal loop helps your brain stay focused. It makes your thoughts concrete. It turns abstract ideas into physical sound waves that your ears can hear and your brain can process again. Studies show that people who talk to themselves while searching for an object actually find it faster than those who stay silent. You're not crazy. You're just using your voice to upgrade your processor speed. Secondly, self-talk is your built-in therapist or coach. Have you ever whispered, "Come on, you can do this," before a presentation? Or maybe, "Calm down, it's not a big deal," when you were angry? This is instructional self-talk. It helps us control our impulsive emotions. By talking to yourself in the third person, using your own name like, "Come on, David," you create a psychological distance. It allows you to advise yourself objectively, just like you would advise a friend. Here's the interesting part. History is full of brilliant minds who talk to themselves constantly. Albert Einstein was famous for it. It signifies a brain that is overflowing with ideas. When you talk to yourself, you're essentially holding a meeting with the smartest person you know, you. It helps in organizing complex thoughts and clarifying logic. So, if you catch yourself muttering a grand theory in the shower, don't worry. It might be a sign of high intelligence, not insanity. However, context matters. There's a difference between talking to yourself because you enjoy your mind and doing it because you're lonely. If the voices are negative, critical, or you hear voices that aren't yours, that's a different story. But for most of us, self-talk is a form of comfortable solitude. It means you're comfortable in your own company. It helps you clarify your identity and validate your own experiences without needing external approval. So, the next time you catch yourself debating which shirt to wear out loud, or rehearsing an argument while washing dishes, don't feel embarrassed. You're organizing your mind. You're coaching your emotions. You're in good company. Talk away. Your brain is listening. Are you a self-talker? Do you do it when you're stressed or when you're focused? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, welcome to Aidil Zone. Like, subscribe, and share this with your friend who talks to themselves. See you in the next video.